Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder. Yes, the Ecto. As you can see right there, I've got a pack in again. My Enterprise is due to come in as well. Somehow they've made a mistake somewhere that that there was a computer glitch of some kind that I've not been sent, and I've been told all different kind of things by Fanaum, but I hope I finally have the right answers and that something is going to be happening. But we'll see that. But let's get into this build and start. Let's get the first stage out. And we have these parts. And see what we are going to do. This is plastic. Okay, let's get that one out. And put that one on. There's a notch there, so you need to put that on. And we're going to get APs out. So we have that one on at the end, as you can see right there. We are going to zoom in a little bit more. So we've got that on. And we're going to put that strip on right, as you can see right there. Yep, and we're going to put some EPs on that. And that's that one. 3 AP screws. Now we're going to get some more EP screws. We're going to get more of those EP screws on to put that on with screws on this side. And that is what we have right there. We're going to get this one out and push those pins over. And that is all we do. We're not doing anything with that one yet. But we'll see what happens in the next stage. This is the next stage, which is, as you can see right there, 108. Let's take that one out and we push it on there. This one is still loose, so we're going to leave that there. If you want to know how you put that in, there's a notch on the lower side that keeps it all together. Then we put that silver thing on and put AP screws in there, which we have right here. Then we go to the other side. Have a look at how that is, and you'll see how that little plastic thing goes on top of it. And we're going to put a few of those silver RP screws in there, which are incredibly tiny, so I need to get my smaller screwdriver, my PH00 out. And I think we need to get the car out to swap some the body, at least, to swap some screws over, which we have right here, the WM screw. So we're going to put that away on the top and get the car out. As you can see, these are not in nicely. They came loose here and there. Well, we're getting loose this one because that needs to be changed over with a W. We're going to get that one out. I have another one of those and put an AP on the other side. And we put that one on. Oh, by the way, that was an AP screw going in. And we're going to get the R light out. So we push that light in there. Then we get that one out. And the other one. Did it the wrong way around. Wrong way around. There we go. Now it's in properly. Now we can put that one on. It was hard to put in, but it falls out like nothing. Like so. Let's put that away for a second. These are such a fiddly thing to put over each other. Come on. There we go. My goodness. That on, and let's see, we W. Where's that WP? That's the first one in. And then we put one, so I've done the WP there, that's the red screw, and two, an NP, and an MP there, and an LP there. As you saw, those lights were working, and as you're asking how I got that, that's something that I got with the Enterprise, the X-Wing build. Alright, so we've got that one together, and we're gonna put that one on right there and put a couple of EM screws on that. Then we have that, those lights in there as well. We're gonna get those two little parts out. Okay, and we're getting, what are we getting out? Got that done. XMs. There we go, we've got those in. Then we got, yeah, I think you can see it, 3 DMs to put in, and these are going into metal, so we do put a little bit of oil on the tip. The other DMs in as well. Alright, so then we're getting that one out and putting that, as you see, put that in, push it down properly, and we're getting 3 EMs out. And on those we are going to put a little bit of oil on the tips of those screws as well. It's just to help you put them in properly and easier to screw them down. Got this cable out because it was going out the wrong way, because we're going to put that light in that is not a light, which would have been nice if it was. That one I meant. So we pushed it on right there, as you can see, and we're going to put 2 eyepiece in from this side. This is not going to make it easier. I'm screwing in there. That is where that cable is going, out the back. Alright, so we're a good way away. We're going to get the car in again. Yep. Okay. What you can't see, but what I'm doing is threading the cables through to that little brackets that we put on earlier. And all the cables are coming out on the lower part of the chassis here by the big light. Alright, let's put a screw on IM first here to keep it all in, and then we're going to put the other ones in, and then we're going to start more or less the same thing for the other side. So we're going to turn it around and we're going to put some screws in all these places, and all different kind of screws. There are MP screws in that one, and that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then YM right there and there, and the rest of them are IM. Alright, so MPs are all done. YMs right there, MPs 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and IMs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 IMs. Yes. So you saw me put in screws there. I put IMs in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then MPs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then YMs right there. And that finishes the whole thing off. The only thing I need to do is put that cable into that organizer. There we go. Now it's in. Alright, as you can see right there, the fender is completely in, neatly in there. As you can see right there, and in here it's neat as well. So let's put that away, put the car away. Which is almost nothing to do. We're gonna put that, we're gonna put that right there, and then put those BMs over it, and then that is it for this pack. And we have to wait another month before the Ecto comes in, which is fine. And when we do that, we have more or less the same thing, but though if you see with those holes, it's a completely different part, as it is the left part of this whole thing. There you go. So guys, that was it. We've put that together. We put that whole fender that I just showed you on that side there. As you can see, the car is there. It's massive. It is massive, but it's a really nice build to do, and I'm really happy that we can finish it off after what happened to Eagle Moss, and Fanhome is bringing this to us now. So I hope to finish this all the way, and it looks like I'm getting parts every month now, at least with this one. The Enterprise, something went wrong on my account, but I hope Fanhome fixed that now. They say they did, and are going to work on it. I do see something happening, but I don't know if that is going on. But that is it for this time. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time on any of my builds. Maybe this massive one, maybe one of the ones in the back, or maybe even more the ones that I have on my channel. Please have a look at them. I've got quite a beautiful bunch of really nice cars and planes and spaceships. So see you then. Bye bye.